Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Melanie. I am a financial analyst and I do videos on side hustles, entrepreneurship, passive income, and all things money. And today we're going to talk to you about how to make money on eBay with Amazon. So today's side hustle is kind of like a drop shipping side hustle or like a arbitrage / drop shipping side hustle. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So now let's jump into the computer and look at Walmart and look at how we're going to list it on eBay. So here we are at walmart.com. I just picked a random item. I picked fridge or mini fridge for makeup. So we can start out with something small to ship. If you're new to arbitrage or drop shipping, then start out with something small. So this is $65.19. So I copied the title and then I went over to eBay. And then I scrolled, so I copied it and pasted here and hit search. And then I'm just looking to see the ones that have the same picture, because we're gonna use the same picture and we might change up some of the words in the title so that it's not the exact same order as what's on walmart.com. But here is what some people have, same picture, $65, similar to the price on Walmart. 72, so this person is smart, they're going to make a little bit of a profit. This person has it for only $51, and when you see this, it's probably because they got the fridge from Walmart or somewhere else on sale for way cheaper than that, and then they're selling it for 51. So this person is going to sell a lot more because it's the same item and it's right next to all the ones that are $62 and $65 and $72. So this is the one that I was looking at, same thing, but this person has it listed for 73. So that's the biggest profit that I've seen from 65. So you're getting, not a whole lot of money, but if you sell a couple, then great. It's an easy way to make some quick money. Are you gonna get rich from this? Selling a few items a week? No. Is it very little effort? Absolutely. So this seller is got a really good seller rating, 93%. So they're probably just a drop shipper or just arbitrage from one of the big stores like Walmart, Amazon, Sam's Club, Costco, BJ's, things like that. But what you do here is you list this in your eBay listing. So this person has the same pictures that they have on walmart.com. All they do is save the pictures on their computer, upload them to their eBay shop. They didn't change the title a little bit, but I would change the title a little bit just so it's not, people are getting smart, so they can copy and paste this item from eBay onto Walmart and see if they can get it cheaper. So I already knew about drop shipping and how people go about drop shipping. So whenever I order something from eBay, I go and see if it's at Target or Walmart, and that's maybe where the person got it and they're trying to sell it to me for a little bit more. I only know that because I sometimes drop ship too. So, but not everybody knows that. That's why they buy stuff from you who is going to be a drop shipper. But with smaller items like this, you can either go and get them if it's a sale, like that thing is 50% off, and then go buy 5 or 6 and then list them, or you can just ship it straight from Walmart to the customer. So this item, let's go back to Walmart. This item is online only. So you can't go get it and, have it at your house and then ship it. So you're gonna have to just order it from Walmart and type in their shipping address. Most people don't care that the box says Walmart and they ordered it from eBay. They just happy to get their item that they ordered and then they go about their life. And you made, an extra $9 or $10. So this is a really good, easy way if you're a person who's like, I want to do a side hustle, I don't want to invest a whole lot of money, and I want to sit at home while I do it. Drop shipping is the easiest way. Now, if you're going to mix in some arbitrage and go out and get it, then there's a lot of deal websites that you can, and I'll put some in the description down below, that you can get notifications to your phone on like what deals are happening at Target and Walmart and some of the bigger stores on like kids' toys, lunch boxes, diapers, yard equipment stuff when they go on sale in the fall, and you can buy it and then ship it yourself from your home if you have enough space to do that, or toys or whatever. That's how you do arbitrage for cheaper instead of just walking around the store and seeing what's on clearance. But like I said, I'll put some links for those apps down in the description so you guys can do arbitrage if you feel like it. But drop shipping is a little bit easier because it's something you can do when you stay at home, and you can just ship it to whoever orders it without even touching the package. So I want to show you guys one more item that I looked up on Amazon, or that I looked up on Walmart. It is a trampoline. So I'm thinking about big items now because they're going on sale, because this is the time when the outdoor items go on sale, the bigger items go on sale. This is a trampoline. It's on sale right now for $168, but I typed it into, or I copied and pasted it into eBay to see if anybody was selling it for more, and I have this one guy right here. He's selling it for $219, and it's the same one. I saw a couple of them, but this is the person that's asking for like the biggest profit. He's got the same photos that are on the website on Walmart, and all he did was save the pictures, stick it into his listing. He grabbed the same description. He took the name of it off, the do fit 10 feet. So he took the name of it off, but it's the same exact pictures, and marked it up for $219. So he's making a good bit of profit, and it's just because this thing is on sale on Walmart. Like if we go back to Walmart, the savings is $231 because it used to be $400. So if you can catch something on sale at Walmart and then, you know, put it on your eBay store at that time where you're making a lot of money, then do that, but pay attention. Boop. Let me start that sentence over. So if you can go on to walmart.com, find something that's on sale and list it on your eBay store, do that. But pay attention to Walmart's website of when it goes off sale, because you don't want people ordering it from you at the $219 price and then it's no longer on sale at Walmart. It's back up to $399, because then you're gonna be in trouble and you're gonna have to cancel that sale because you're not gonna pay $100 to ship somebody something. That's insane. So definitely make sure and pay attention to that if you do post stuff that's on sale and not regular price from Walmart. But this is really easy. A lot of drop shippers start out this way and do it this way. There's other automated ways to do this, but these are just like one-off things that you can do to get your feet wet and just try to see if you like drop shipping. If you want to just make $100 a week, then post a couple items a day. But if you want to make some like real money with drop shipping, then you're gonna have to automate it and get some software so that you can be a little bit more organized. But this is the way to kind of get your feet wet. This is a really good side hustle, especially for stay-at-home moms that don't have a lot of time and don't have a lot of energy and don't want to spend extra money. I am really hoping this helped you out. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if this little short tutorial helped you out. If you guys have already tried drop shipping, if you have any tips for everybody down in the comments about it. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and go ahead and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.